Hello everyone. Today, students from the Department of History of Sardar Patel University Mandi visited the Mela ground in Mandi for an educational tour along with their teacher Mr. Rajesh Sharma. During this visit, they explored various exhibitions which you can see in this video. This educational tour proved to be highly informative as the students gained knowledge related to different professions and business fields. Such visits are very important because they help students understand practical aspects of various careers. If a student wishes to build a career in a particular profession, they also get the opportunity to interact with experts and seek valuable guidance directly from professionals in that field.
कितने का
ये पड़ेगा वो 250 रुपये का। ये देखो
100 नोट दे ना। ये क्या है? ये क्या लोग बोलते हैं?
ये 500 का जीरा है, काला जीरा। इसकी स्मेल देखो, खुशबू देखो। हाँ जी, दे देंगे शायद।
As you can see, the stall where we are standing showcases natural products such as honey and some special varieties of oils. Now we have reached the stall set up by the Department of History of Sardar Patel University. Here, books related to various subjects have been displayed. Some of these books have been written after in-depth study and research by the head of the history department himself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sharma. Here, information related to silk production is being provided.
ये तो बता गई थी because मैं इसमें से की पता ना।
धागा ऐसे ही बनेगा। ऐसे और फिर
After this visit, we visited several other stalls as well. Each stall offered unique and valuable information related to different fields. Through these stalls, students got the opportunity to learn about new ideas, traditional skills, and modern techniques directly from experts. This experience helped them understand practical knowledge beyond textbooks and inspired them to explore various career options for the future.
ये जो है जब हम पढ़ेंगे कृषि यंत्र सीर कहते हैं मैंने पढ़ेंगे ठीक है। हाँ तो पहले जब लोहा नहीं था, लोहा तो 800 के बाद की बात है, ठीक है। हम अंतर सीखेंगे तो पहले जो है इस टाइप से में कल ये स्टार्ट होगा। ये सारी चीज़ लाएगी जिसको नाम के लोग सीर के नाम से जो है इनका उल्लेख है, ठीक है।
We also visited a stall where traditional clay pots were being made by skilled artisans. This stall is beautifully showcased the art of pottery and the importance of preserving our traditional crafts. Along with this, we explored handmade products that reflected creativity, hard work, and cultural heritage. These stalls highlighted the value of handmade work and encouraged students to appreciate and support local artisans. After that, we visited a stall to gather information related to the National Legal Services Authority. Here, a lady explained and shared valuable information with us. Our public administration teacher, Geeta ma'am, along with some students of history department, asked questions and gained important insights from the discussion. After the completion of this educational tour, our teacher Mr. Rajesh Sharma interacted with us and asked about our overall experience. After this, some students visited the Bhima Kali temple where a community feast was being organized. A few students enjoyed the prasad while others spent some relaxing moments and had fun in the nearby park. Friends, if you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.